Hello, color pencil artist. I'm Molly, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is the butterfly on a bud, and I did watercolor background. I'll be demonstrating the watercolor background with the with the Posca pen. And I did a little abstract look. It was very fun. As colored pencil artists, we tend to get kind of tight, so to do something fun once in a while is definitely a must. This tutorial is from my membership. If you are interested or would like a free month, please click the link below, and I hope to see you there.